So we are back out here at Denmark Drone Park. We, meaning Gerardo, our lead electrical engineer, and I, to test out that Develop Air Mini and get him some more flight time. So we're going to predominantly just fly with the controller here, but we're also going to connect it via Bluetooth to my Android phone and just have telemetry data and the ability to control it via software. So let's go ahead and get the controller booted up, and then we'll boot up the Develop Air Mini as well.
All right.
Welcome to HTX.
Welcome to HTX.
Switch warning.
And you come to the drone park to get away from the back talk from the women, and they follow us here, right?
No comment.
Stabilize flight mode.
Whoa, look at that. A quick connection.
Altitude hold flight mode.
And I'm going to open up QGroundControl on my phone.
Looks like I am connected. Because it looks like I got some sort of...
And look at that. We got an automatic connection, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't even have to go into the Comlinks menu.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're getting a connection over here. We should be getting satellite connection here sooner than later. This top cover doesn't seem 100% on, but it's good enough, right?
It's the demo drone. Get it right for the product.
All right. So in altitude hold mode, we still have exactly 0 satellites we're connected to. I just switched us over to loiter flight mode, which you also have that ability to do. I think 2 is altitude hold, maybe?
Okay. Yep. Altitude looks like it's 1.
Okay.
Stabilize.
Flight mode.
And then
Loiter's
loiter.
2. Okay.
Loiter flight mode.
So we have a bad fix for the GPS. Let's let it just try to lock on here for a few moments, and if that doesn't work, we may even have to do a compass calibration, which is kind of odd because it didn't give us this issue last time we were out here prior to bringing it to you.
Sometimes I heard this, it's the GPS has to warm up.
Yeah.
So, could be part
Warm up faster because we're only getting colder standing out waiting for you, Develop Air Mini, you inconsiderate machine.
How many GPS do you have?
We
You
have,
have 1, right?
I have 0 that,
Okay. I see GPS 1B on mine.
bad fix is what it's going to say. Yeah. So
Okay.
pre-armed GPS 1 bad fix. All right.
Well, it's a good thing. What I'm working towards is flying without it.
Yeah. Who needs GPS for indoor loitering? Not I, if you have a HearLink or HearFlow sensor that is not actually installed. So let's go ahead and do a compass calibration. And I'm just going to ask you to hit OK.
Let me know.
Yep.
Started.
Let's see how good of a compass calibration I can do when the pressure is on. Am I going to let us all down? Probably. Why change now, right?
Hopefully not. It's getting cold out here. All right.
All right. Oh my God, look at that. Hold on. Need to go show that off to the camera, ladies and gentlemen. A never before seen event, double green. Oh, we're screen recording. I knew that. Big brain genius. Don't you forget it.
Okay, hit OK, then see if we can get more GPSs after the
All right,
compass.
parameters, tools, and reboot. And of course, like I mentioned in our last video, actually now the presentation to VMI's Drone Club and some of their cadets, QGroundControl never crashes because it is impeccable open source software. All right, we're back in and we are reconnecting. And now it's raining even more than it was. Not as bad as it was at the office. I will protect you, Develop Air Mini. Have you opened her up at all since bringing it to you?
I think I have opened the top cover. I did notice when I was plugging in the power connector, it didn't immediately boot. So maybe a loose connection as well, contributing to this problem. It didn't feel like it clicked.
All right, hold that. Let's see. All right, it's plugged in correctly.
Okay, everything is plugged in.
But why you give us bad GPS? It can be just because of the weather.
Could be, right? If it's cloudy conditions.
Come on, my Jewish brethren, we need to control the weather. How many shekels do I need to come up with?
Still a bad fix. Let's try and move it around. See if it decides to wake up. I'm at like in a different location.
Well, just making sure the compass gyro is responding
it's still,
accordingly.
Yeah, like I said, it's
What the fuck?
no lock.
No lock, no luck.
So FPV drones, do they also utilize a GPS? Or is that completely...
Rarely. So, like, we could fly in altitude hold flight mode right now.
So what does a no GPS flying look like?
So it will still drift with the wind, but it won't come down if you're giving it 0 throttle. So it will use the barometer to keep level.
Okay, so you don't have to give it constant throttle
Right.
like you would like a...
It's not quite as good altitude
FPS.
control
Yeah.
as GPS enabled flight and like loiter flight mode.
So
or
you're gonna
auto
get
guide.
some drift.
You will get, yeah, you'll
Okay.
get drift with the wind.
Okay. Well, my controller is getting wet here. May have to reschedule here.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll still share this to show that, you know, not all of our testing goes as according to plan, especially these last few weeks where very little of our testing has gone according to plan. But short of calling in a big favor from our Jewish brethren, I think that's all she wrote for today. So catch us in the next video.